Okay. Only for 15 minutes. So this plasma like gas occupies the whole available volume. The whole. If I stop microwave, you look here pressure is vacuum gauge, nothing will happen because plasma is plasma like gas. Look here, what will happen? Nothing. You see, the pressure is the same. Now I'll make ball lightning. This plasma. If I stop, no change. I fill microwave chamber, closed chamber with air, air pressure increase, ball lightning appears, you see, white, color, ball lightning nuclei, very high temperature. Around there's yellow color, this is the electron layer. Ball lightning represents giant macro atom with huge macro nucleus and electron layer around. Okay, you see, now inside is 1 atmosphere, like around 1 atmosphere. Now, I close, now inside 1 atmosphere close. So, ball lightning, inside ball lightning, this yellow nucleus, there's nothing, I claim, there's nothing. This is like point, zero. Space, there's no space inside. Space starts from the ball lightning nucleus, from the surface, outside. Inside ball lightning, there's no space. If there's no space, there's nothing, no material substance, no air. Look at this. I'll stop, suddenly microwave, ball lightning disappear instantly, and this space, emptiness, is filled by air from the bottom. It occupies this air. Look at what will happen here. You see, vacuum, considerably, because ball lightning disappeared and this whole emptiness was filled by air from around and pressure dropped considerably. This is absolutely new, unknown by physics phenomenon.